What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm December DeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights in the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, y'all. We are almost at that 50,000 subscriber mark, and I'm doing a mega giveaway that day. So you want to make sure you are subscribed before that point, so that way you can participate in this giveaway for the DD Nation, man. Shout out to everybody for rocking with me. Now, y'all, if you're one of the people that emailed me, my assistant will be getting to you. Do not worry. If you were a part of, if you made it in within those first 2,500 people to receive my Mastering Chart Pattern Guide for free, don't worry, he will email you. He's going to just send that email out to everybody at the same time. So don't worry. If you made it in before that first 2,500, you are good to go. So let's get into this one, man. Make sure you watch out for the scammers in the comment section of this video, man. They love to pretend they are me. You know, when the crypto bull market starts to come around, the scammers do too. So please be aware and do not fall for any tricks telling you to basically get robbed for your crypto. So be safe. Overall crypto market cap at $2.75 trillion right now, looking beautiful. 2.76 trillion, looking really good right now. I like to see that, because as we inch closer and closer to that 3 trillion market cap level, that's when we see FOMO kick in, because markets are back at their previous all-time high. Yes, we see Bitcoin at all-time highs. Yes, we see, ETH wanting to. Yes, we see BNB going absolutely bonkers today. Shout out to the BNB army. But y'all, when the overall crypto market cap hits that level, we're going to see new price discovery. We might quickly pull back for a period of time, but we're doing this before the Bitcoin halving even took place. And we got 34 days left. If you think anything less is going to happen in the next 34 days, man, I just wouldn't be able to take that bet with you. Now, remember, none of this is financial advice. You got to do your own due diligence. I could be wrong about things. We just did a video yesterday when there was a typo in the video, and I got extremely excited. I went back and fixed the title and everything. But, sometimes we can be wrong over here. So you got to remember to do your own due diligence, and never risk more than you're willing to lose. So we weren't technically wrong. We just read the wrong article that someone else put out. So you got to, double check those articles as well. This is why you can't just go off everything you hear. That's why I tell y'all as well. Obviously, those that really rock with me know this is a wealth of, gems and knowledge over here on this channel. But at the same time, you have to remember this is not financial advice. So Bitcoin at $73,316, up 1% on the day, 11% for the week. We got Ethereum at $3,976 and down 1.73% for the day, up 5.4% on the week. BNB at 617, up 13.5% on the day and up 44% on the week. Let's go. BNB looking real good right now over those top assets. Even the top 10, BNB up the most over the last week. So Solana at $168.32, up 10.4% on the day and up 21.9% for the week, y'all. XRP 68 cents, down 2.3%. This is the time you accumulate the ones that aren't moving. You see the ones that are moving, the ones that aren't moving, it's the time to connect the dots on them. Now, it's not financial advice, but the money will cycle through the rest of the markets. Now, Doge, 18 cents, up 8.4% on the day and up 25% for the week. And then we got Cardano. So look at Doge, y'all. Doge just popped up to $26 billion market cap, leaving Shiba Inu in the dust real quick. But Cardano was 75 cents, up 0.37% in the green. Then we got it up 4.36% for the week. AVAX at $55.91, up 3.27% on the day and up 32% for the week. And Shiba Inu still, kind of holding on tightly to that 11th place by market cap, sitting at 403356, 163 in the green for the day and 11% in the green for the week. Now, this is why I tell y'all, when you see those little miniature pullbacks, those are the opportunities, y'all. Look, she went all the way down here to that 30,000 point per coin level today, giving people the opportunity to try to scoop up some for the low before it started to take back off. Some people get afraid though when they see those prices start to go down, they get afraid. But let me tell you, that is the wrong way to play the crypto game. If you want to play the crypto game the way smart money does it, you have to move how smart money does. And that's buying into the red, taking advantage of the dips, buying the undervalued assets before they start to take off or go back up. So Shiba Inu looking really good right now. We got the volume up 26% right now. Looking really nice. Let's see what else we got in the ecosystem that's looking good. We're gonna check out Bone Token. Okay, we're gonna start off with Bad Idea AI. Sheesh. This one absolutely ripping today, up 69% right now. This is why I told y'all the sheep ecosystem is likely to pump, and this is not it. I don't believe this is over yet, y'all. Right now, it's up 258% in volume, up 66% on the day, sitting at that 6 zeros. I believe that's 6 zeros still. 6 zeros. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It might be 7 zeros. So 7 zeros, 744 level. Looking really, really nice. This is going to attract a lot of people. People are going to come and say, what's going on with Bad Idea? You know, all the people that, you know, gave up on it, might have paper handed out their positions because, you know, they kept seeing it drop or because it wasn't moving, you know, fast enough for them. This is what happens. Soon as you let go of your position, guess what? Markets start to fly. Not all the time, but that's, you know, usually what happens. So Bone right now sitting at $1.03. Volume down 13% on the day. Price down 2% on the day. And then let's take a look at the leash. The dog walker. 651 for leash, y'all. This is a steal. Remember what prices we just seen leash at not too long ago. So volume is down 16.6% at the current moment. But I'm looking at it as like, you know, the sheep ecosystem is just basically taking turns with which project is going to, you know, pump basically. Now again, it's not financial advice, but that's what it looks like. Now K9 down 10% on the day, sitting at 3 zeros, 2225. Volume down 21% in the last 24 hours. Now let's take a look at this, y'all. Lucy says the Sheep Investment Masterclass. Nearly $4,000 Shiba Inu investment yields around 127 million profits. Let's take a look at this article. Shout out to Lucy. So Sheep Investment Masterclass, nearly 4K Shiba Inu investment yields around $127 million profit. So in quintessential rags to riches tale for the digital era, an investor's initial $4,000 foray into Shiba Inu has remarkably morphed into a $127 million windfall. Blockchain analyst tool Look On Chain recently highlighted one Shiba Inu investor whose actions served as a testament to the potential within the crypto markets, and particularly SHIB. The token has risen more than 236% in the last 30 days, according to CoinMarketCap. The unnamed investor's journey began at SHIB's inception in August 2020. The investor swapped 10 Ethereum tokens, then worth approximately $3,793, for an astonishing 15.27 trillion Shiba Inu, y'all. This is why you want to get in early on projects. Even if they start to retrace, this is why you got to understand the power of knowing what you hold and having conviction in your strong plays. So, when the crypto asset gained traction in 2021, the investor executed a series of strategic sales where they divested over 10 trillion SHIB via the centralized platform Uniswap, a strategy that continued even as SHIB recorded its all-time high in October 2021. At around the same time, Shiba Inu achieved significant milestones, including getting listed by major crypto exchange platforms such as Kraken, Binance, and Crypto.com. In an act reflecting the buy the dip approach, the investors started a calculated reaccumulation of SHIB as soon as the 2021 bull run waned and the crypto assets value started to fall. The investor continued to do this until November 2022. According to Look On Chain, the investor accumulated an additional 535 billion SHIB in his portfolio in this period, after which they started selling some in the late part of 2022. The investor continued doing this until 2024 with no other additional SHIB acquisitions. One of the investors' noteworthy transactions was the transfer of 200 billion SHIB to crypto exchange platform Gemini and Crypto.com. The investor strategy yielded a whopping $127 million profit from their initial investment of just $3,700. Sheesh. This is why data is important. You know, analytics is important because you can track information like this and likely, you know, track those wallets as well. And, you know, this has to be someone who either has insight they know something. So, sometimes you just want to follow the money. So, interestingly, the Shiba Inu holder has not sold all of their SHIB holding, as data from Etherscan showed that they still hold about 2.6 trillion SHIB, which based on current value is worth around 85.67 million. While this story is fascinating and inspiring, this is not the first milestone or millionaire that Shiba Inu has produced over the years. A similar extraordinary story is that of a middle-aged truck driver who invested $650 in Shiba Inu in 2020, which turned to 1.7 million 10 months later when SHIB's value skyrocketed in May 2021. During the challenging times of the COVID pandemic in 2020, two New York brothers found themselves jobless and searching for hope amid the chaos and gloom. Seizing an opportunity in their face of adversity, they pooled their resources to invest $7,900 in Shiba Inu, a move driven by optimism rather than certainty. But this leap of faith paid off spectacularly as their investment skyrocketed 120,000% in just 6 months. By May 2021, their SHIB stake had transformed into a staggering $9 million, y'all, turning their pandemic-induced misfortune into a story of incredible financial success. This is absolutely crazy. This is why you want to pay attention to people who've done it before you, people who have some success, and look at the history, because you never know what can happen. You want to have conviction in those plays, because imagine they put in, $8,000 essentially into Shiba Inu at a time where every 1,000 that you invested into Shiba Inu, around that time went down to $1. So if you put in 1,000 in Shiba around that time, your 1,000 would have went down to $1. If you put in $8,000 at that time, your 8,000 would have went down to about $8. So to still hold Shiba Inu all the way down, seeing it drop to 7,500, 7,000, 6,500, 6,000, 5,500, 5,000, 45, 4, all the way down, and they still didn't, paper hand out of the position all the way down to 3,500, 3,000, 25, 2,000, 1,500, still held on. Seen it drop all the way down to 1,000. Imagine your $8,000 investment going to 1,000. Early day Shiba Inu. Would you have jumped out? Would you have paper hand, or you would have still held, seeing that you were down already, $7,000 out of your $8,000 investment? But people like this, plays like this, this masterclass on SHIB right here, this is a glimpse to show you what can happen when you have confidence and you just hold on, y'all. So that's all we got for this one. Appreciate everybody for pulling up. Hey, check the links in the description section of this video. I'm going to have something really, really special for those that go join the Vegas Inu Token Telegram. Now, if you're new to the channel and you have not joined the Vegas Inu Token Telegram, you want to go join it right now. Now, be patient. It's going to be a little bit, but if you're in that group and you're paying attention, you're going to see, pretty soon what, is coming as a free gift only to those that, get over there inside the Vegas Inu Token Telegram. And it's going to be very, very valuable. So you definitely want to get over there now for free, especially if you're one of those people that, you might have missed out on the mastering chart patterns guy. If you're one of those people, now remember, if you didn't get an email yet, it's perfectly normal. We're still getting everything together to, respond to everybody at the same time. But also, if you're one of those people that think you might have been a little bit late, or you just want an extra bonus, join the Vegas Inu Token Telegram pretty soon. I'm not going to say when, because then everybody will just try to wait for the exact time. But just join it and be patient. Just join it and be patient. Vegas Inu, at Vegas Inu Token on Twitter. Links to the project in the description section of this video. I'm telling you, do not wait. Go join it right now. It's absolutely free. Again, if you want to support the project, not financial advice, but you can check that out as well. We are on the BNB side. You do receive 2% reflections just from holding the Vegas Inu token. So keep that in mind. That's super bullish. Also, reflections or percentage of the taxes go towards marketing to support the project, as well as another percentage going towards liquidity to strengthen the project as well. So at Vegas Inu Token on Twitter, follow me on all platforms at December DeMarco. If you want access to some freebies that will be coming pretty soon, if you miss it, that's on you, because you weren't in the Vegas Inu Token Telegram. The link to the Telegram is in the description section of this video. Go join ASAP. By the way, we are only about 10 holders away from the first 500 holders. Connect the dots, man. Connect the dots up. Appreciate everybody for pulling up, and we are out.